Let's understand the condensation, densification or sublimation. The process of changing of water vapor in the air into water is called condensation or densification. Also, the process of vapor changing into solid state is called sublimation. If the temperature of the air reduces, its vapor holding capacity also reduces. When relative humidity of the air becomes 100%, vapor starts condensing. At this time, the temperature of the air should be at dew point. Dew point means the temperature at which the vapor present in the air changes into water droplets. Children, dew point, frost and fog are the forms of condensation at ground level, while clouds are a form of condensation at higher level. What is a dew? Minute water particles deposited on cooled surfaces in the morning or evening by the process of condensation in the air. Such small particles are found on the blades of grass or leaves of the trees. The temperature of the water is less than the surrounding air. At that time, dew is formed. When the water vapor in the surrounding air comes in contact with cooler leaves, condensation occurs and water droplets are deposited on leaves. What is a fog? Fog means a very minute ice or water particles floating in the air. Fog is different from the clouds. Fog is at lower elevations and fog occurs due to the local weather conditions. The visibility in the area reduces because of fog. What is a frost? Frost is a form of condensation occurring near the Earth's surface. Because of the lowering of temperature, the vapor into the air converts into ice particles. Layers of such ice particles are seen on leaves of the trees or grasses. Frost is generally seen in temperate regions during winters.